Welcome to Model 2. Every time you look at your trading platform, you see a price, don't you? That price is not a fact, it's a manufactured product. I've configured these manufacturing systems and I'm going to show you exactly how they work. Lesson 1 walks you through the price aggregation process step by step. Your broker's bridge receives streams from multiple LPs, each quoting slightly different prices. The bridge picks the best bid and best ask, applies a markup from a configuration file, and pushes the composite to your platform. I'll show you different aggregation methods: best bid, best ask, volume weighted, primary LP, affect what you see. Lesson 2 reveals that the spread is actually an information signal, not just a cost. You see, tight spread means a healthy liquidity and competing market makers. A wide spread, on the other hand, means something is wrong. Liquidity could be pulling back, news is imminent, or volatility spiking. I'll give you a framework. Before any trade, check the spread. Is it normal for this time? If not, investigate before trading. Lesson 3 covers the last look mechanism, something most traders have never heard of. When your order reaches an LP, they have 50 to 200 milliseconds to accept or reject. If price moved in your favor, they can reject. If it moved against you, they simply fail you. This creates systematic negative skew in your slippage. I'll explain how bridge software tracks fill rates per LP and optimizes routing based on effective spread, but not quoted spread. Lesson 4 ties it all together. Why your price is always slightly wrong due to latency, aggregation artifacts, and markup timing. The practical takeaway is using limit orders, trading during peak liquidity, and accepting that the price is a good approximation, but not an exact truth. Model 3 is the uncomfortable one. We're going to talk about your broker directly, A book, B book, and the system that decides how they handle your trades.